Kitty talking to you?
Sam, Matt, and Cat. It's under them too. Cat sat on Sam. I don't know these people are doing.
Well, let's read it and I'll tell you.
Yeah, sat on Sam.
So now you know what they're doing, right?
They're all sitting on each other.
He's under there somewhere.
I don't see his head.
Yeah, this what it is?
Head
What's his face look like?
flying.
Sad? Sad?
Sad. Yeah.
Good job.
I are they both sad.
Mm-hmm.
Sam, sad. Their feet are together. Okay, Sam. Okay, Matt. Okay, Cat. The end.
Good job. Give 5. Yeah. Oh, she almost got me in the face. You're so